Hello, Pempeng of Pandy. Hi. Hi, Orlando. Oh my God. Wait. Sorry for the interruption. Was sorry for the interruption. Was written adapa. Waiting for you. Can I get to know you? Hello, Pepeng Sopandi from Indonesia. Hello, Eric the shirt too. Hi, Eric the shirt too. Hello. Thank you for watching. Mm. Hello, Bangos Waijan. Hey, sleep. Yep, I'm going to sleep. In height to my 111. You love mom. What's that? Mario Soriano. Hi, Mario Soriano. Hi, $30,000. Hashtag. Would you? I want to see you lying down. Lying down. Give me one smile. Hey. Ganda naman ni ma'am. Thank you po. Maganda ba? So, bakit ako iniwan kung maganda? Sarap ba naman hawakan? Bakit ako iniwan ng ex kung masarap ako? Ma'am, beautiful, sexy, cute, nice. Please lie down. Oh my God, later I will lie down when I go to sleep. Okay? I wanna lay you down. Let's look at my box. Choose with roses. I'm looking for a wife. Oh, really? Really? You're looking for a wife? Shake your body. Ice cream, want it, please. Oh, so bad word. Is an edges is I already removed bad words. Okay. Hi, Paulo Antonio. Hello. Hi, everyone. Electric pot. This is your host, Happy Mama. A lucky woman. How old? How? Um. Guess how old I am. Big. Next naman parang 20 years old si mom. 29. Sure the old. I'm not 29. I'm 42. I like action human. Some said I am 50 plus. Why? Different countries. Philippines. I'm from Philippines. It, it, what's that? Have you ever been to US? No, I'm not. Only in Philippines, not even other country. Philippines only. But Philippines and in Mindanao, I'm not tour around all over Philippines because I always stay in Mindanao only until Visayas. Ah, I got Manila, but I haven't there in Bohol, Boracay, or something, which is Palawan and Baguio in Philippines. Show me more, 42, di halata. You're 42 talaga, and I was born in 1982. Your lips are so pretty. Because this is my favorite color on lipstick. What's the electric pot? Uy, turn on the electric pot. Saan po sa Pinas ka, ma'am? Sa ano, Dapitan, Bisaya po ako. Bisaya. Hello, Yadi. How much child you have? Only one. Isa lang yung anak ko. Only one. Will. Hi, Will. Hi, Michaels.